Hey, what's going on, guys? Manufacturer sent me this strainer basket for free so I could open it up and show it to you and let you know what I think about it. Real quick, while I'm cutting open the package, just want to let you know that the listing shows that it's good for a ton of different brands. A couple of them off the top of my head that it does work for is Pentair, WhisperFlo, and TLow. Like I said, it did several more, so there's a good chance that it might work for you. So just go ahead and check out the listing. See if your brand is on there before you go ahead and make the purchase, but it works for a ton of different brands. But anyway, so here it is up close. Show it to you all the way around. The plastic on it does feel really sturdy. The openings in it looks like it allows for good water flow, so that's really good for a more efficient cycle there. One of the things that I do like also is the ring up top, just for the sturdiness. And some of the other types of baskets you get, like these wider rings, they're really thin and they tend to crack. This one does seem to be sturdy, so I wouldn't be worried about that. So again, just up close look, turn it around. You can see obviously it tapers wider at the top, tapers down at the bottom there. So hopefully that helps you make your purchasing decision.